How to turn on or turn off auto download files while roaming in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Message App. After click on Message App, click on this profile icon. Scroll down to and click on Message Settings. And you will see first option is RCS Chats. Click on RCS Chats, scroll down and you will see auto download files auto download files while roaming is here. If you want to turn on auto download files while roaming, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see auto download files while roaming is turned on. If you want to turn off auto download files while roaming, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see auto download files while roaming is turned off. You will turn on or turn off auto download file while roaming from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto download file while roaming in text message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.